welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about HP ProBook 640 out here. Talking about 640 ProBook out there, it was also a ProBook usually is a corporate world design gadgets, and it is also a corporate world design gadget out here, offering you Intel V Pro technology. Yes, you will get to see Intel V Pro technology along with that trusted platform borderless 1.2 security chip system. So 1.2 security chip system could be seen out here when Windows operating system, like operating system, if we talk about pre-installed Windows system could be seen, which provides a 64 bytes computerization. Along with that, you also get to see Intel Core i5 up to 4th generation processor. So the processing system out here is being offered is Intel Core i5. Intel Core i5 4th generation processor is being used out in this variant, which is really a good version out here. And when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant out here offers you a great range of specifications, as well as you get to see that this variant out here offers you a max turbo speed, we can say, of 3.3 gigahertz. Its max turbo speed is of 3.3 gigahertz, whereas you get to see 2.6 base clock speed. So base clock speed is being offered out, which is 2.6 gigahertz out there. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the core system. And talking about the core system, you get to see that it offers you dual core system out there with Intel Turbo Boost technology. So Intel Turbo Boost technology is being offered out here with dual core technology. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a cache memory of install size 3 MB. So 3 MB is the installed cache memory out here. So overall, it is a very good variant out there. Overall, it is offering you great specifications, everything out there. But when we talk about cache memory, we cannot neglect out the RAM out here, RAM and the hard drive storage. Talking about the RAM, then it has got a installed size of 4 GB. RAM size has been installed in it, which is a 4 GB with a RAM type of DDR3L. Yes, DDR3L is the RAM type being offered out here, which is really good variant out there. Along with that, it is offering you a memory speed of 1600 megahertz. Yes, 1600 megahertz is the memory speed out here offered in this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that it is offering you a maximum support size in the RAM quality of 16 GB. Yes, 16 GB is the maximum support size being offered out here. Along with that, it offers you a technology which is also DDR3L. The maximum support size has to be in DDR3L format, offering you 1600 megahertz speed out there. Whereas when we talk about the hard drive, we can say that hard drive plays an important role. And talking about the hard drive, then it offers you 7200 RPM hard drive. Yes, it is offering you 7200 RPM hard drive out here, which is offering you a good spindle speed. If we talk about the spindle speed, then it offers you a good spindle speed of 7200 RPM. So 7200 RPM spindle speed is being offered out here, which is really good and an amazing version out there. Along with that, it offers you a hard drive type of HDD. HDD is the hard drive type offered out here. Along with that, you also get to see a capacity of 500 GB. Yes, 500 GB is the maximum capacity offered out here by this variant. Along with that, if we talk about the display and everything, because we know that HP usually designs its gadget depending upon how the gadget can work in the harsh environmental factors. Yes, like tolerance to shock, temperature, humidity, these kind of factors. So this variant also works very well in these harsh conditions out here. And when we talk about these conditions, then we can say that the variant out here offers you LED backlight technology. Yes, this is offering you a display of LED backlight along with full HD resolution. Yes, the display resolution, if you talk about, then it is offering you full HD resolution. Along with that, it offers you an ultra wide view angle, that is the anti-glance along with it. So anti-glance ultra wide view angle could also be seen in this variant. With the screen size, if you talk about the screen size, then it offers you a screen size of 35.6 centimeters. So this is the screen size being offered out here, which is 35.6 centimeters. Overall, if you talk about this variant, overall it is offering you a good specification, a good variation out here. So now let us talk about the graphical processing also. Talking about the graphics, we can say that graphics is related to the webcams, stereotype speakers, output in the multimedia, the display out here, everything. So it offers you Intel HD graphics 4600. So the graphic processor used out here is also good Intel HD graphics 4600 are there with integrated webcam, 1280 into 720 resolution capacity of camera, stereotype speakers, microphones out here. So these kind of things could be seen in this variant too. If you talk overall about this variant, then it is going to have a great specifications out there. But when we talk about this variant, we cannot neglect out the connectivity is offering out a good Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, USB 2 type, USB 3 type connectivity, audio input output connectivity, jack connectivities out there, power connectivity. It also offers you optical drive connectivity. Yes, optical drive connectivity could be seen out here with a fixed tray so that you can have a read and write type of DVD write-ups. Along with that, you have got really amazing connectivity with card readers like SD card, memory card out there, multi-reading card, flash cards out there, these kind of things. Now it is offering you a good connectivity with these things. So let us talk about the battery because battery plays an important role. Talking about the battery, then we can say that it offers you 6 cell lithium ion battery out here with a capacity of 55 volts. Yes, 6 cell lithium ion 55 volts capacity is being offered. Now talking about this variant, we can say that this variant out here offers you a great range of specifications. And let us talk about the pricing also. And talking about the pricing, this site which is just at click.com. Yes, the site name itself suggests just at click.com. Just a click away from your favorite products out here. You get to have a huge collection of gadgets. Not just one brand, but reputed top brands out here. Along with that, this site offers you great deal in various products, and you also get to have customizability option. You can customize your gadgets according to your needs. Yes, you can customize it accordingly. Apart from that, you also get to see that it is offering you a search icon where you can search your favorite products out there. This is the result out here, HP ProBook, this series out here. A small description is given, and you get to see a condition that is refurbished out here. You get to see a refurbished condition is mentioned out here. So let us talk about refurbished products first. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand, and when we say refurbished or certified refurbished, both are actually same. There is no major difference out here in certified refurbished products and brand refurbished products. Actually, let us compare this with the brand new products. What are brand new products actually? Talking about brand new products, then we can say that brand new products are nothing else but the products which are directly released from the company for the very first time. That is brand new, absolutely new. We have not seen any gadget like that before. So that is brand new. Whereas refurbished products or refurbished gadgets are nothing else but are pre-owned brand new gadgets. Yes, these are pre-owned brand new gadgets out there. Now, what does this mean? What does this whole thing mean? Let us talk about that. Talking about refurbished, then we can say these are pre-owned gadgets. Matlab, once a user has buy that phone, has that gadget with it, that has buy that gadget, then you get to see that that gadget comes under the category of pre-ownization. That gadget is pre-owned. Now that gadget has to be if resold. If that person wants to resell it, then it comes under the category of reselling product, and then it comes under the category of refurbished. So now let us see the chain. How does it works out? And talking about the chain, it's a common chain followed out with base, mediator, and the consumer out there. Whereas the base is nothing else. For brand new, it is always and always the company. Yes. The base out will be the company where you will first time see that gadget. Yes, for the very first time, once a brand new gadget is being launched, it is with the company itself. Now, talking about the company, then it can be any company out here like Samsung, Galaxy, Lenovo, HP, any company out there, any brand. Now that company wants to resell that gadget out here. Now that gadget is going to be resold. Now what happens is once that gadget is being is going to be sold actually. It is not going to be resell. It is going to be sold out. The company is first time bringing that gadget into the market, then it is being resold. Then what happens is you get to sell that gadget in the marketplace, which is a bridge between a consumer and the company. Yes, the company out here brings that into the marketplace, and the consumer, the users from that marketplace, takes it off. So this ends the brand new gadget chain out here. Once a gadget is pre-owned, then it can never be considered as brand new. Yes, it is being pre-owned now. So this is not brand new at all now. So we will not say that it will not be absolutely brand new, but you will consider that as a pre-owned. Now, once that user wants to have that gadget or resell it to another person, then it is considered as a refurbished gadget. Yes, this is considered as a refurbished gadget. This will never be considered as a brand new now. Yes, you will never consider it as brand new. It will be considered as a refurbished gadget. So it is absolutely brand new like gadget now. Now what happens is now user wants to resell that gadget. It is brought back into the marketplace where it is being tested, verified before reselling it. It is again brought up on their sites and then it is sold off to another user. So this is the refurbished gadget out there. In short, we can say that refurbished is the extension of brand new. Yes, we can say that refurbished gadgets are actually the extension of brand new out here. Now, talking about the brand new gadgets and refurbished gadgets, the difference lies out in the testing sites. Yes, you will find a difference in the testing site. And talking about the testing sites, brand new gadgets testing sites are actually uh, not very differing out here. Yes, they do not differ out. They are actually at the same place. Different sites out there. Like for designing, it's a different site. For Bluetooth connectivity, is a different. Like every testing has to be on different siting, which are highly designed for that. Whereas in refurbished gadgets, you get to see that the designing, the testing, and the replacement, everything has to be done on the same site. Yes, everything is done on the same site where the user resells that gadget and the new user buys that gadget. So that particular marketplace does every testing out there. Now let us talk about the parameters because they are doing the same design, same functionality, same testing out there. Everything is same. So what are these testing parameters? And talking about these parameters, we can say that testing parameters are nothing else but the external and internal factors. Yes, you get to have external factors and internal factors out there. Talking about the external factors, you get to see that external factors are nothing else but the factors or the parameters which can be seen through eyes. Yes, you can see directly through eyes, like the design, scratches, buttons, uh, power out there, or USB connectors, pen drives, SD card connectors, display, camera. So these which can be seen through eyes, whereas these do not require any software or any highly designed tool out there. You will not require any of these kind of things. So how does this work? Like if you check about the keys, then every key is functional or not. By pressing it, you can check it out. Camera is working or not. You just open the webcam and just see whether you can see yourself or not. Scratches, you can see touchpad out. The USB connectors you can connect and see. Like these things does not require any tool software. They are very quick to check. Now another factor comes out to be the internal factors. Now what are these internal factors all about? Talking about the internal factors, we can say that internal factors are nothing else but the internal components out there. The components which has to be tested with specified tools, specified gadgets, specified softwares out here. These includes like the processing, graphics, memory, speed out there, the connecting purpose out there, the graphics everything out there, the RAM, the ROM out there, the write-ups if it has, if you are not able to connect it, is the place out there working or not, the internal points are working or not, the core system out there, everything has to be like is all the internal components which you need to be checked with gadgets softwares out there. So this is what the parameters are all about. We can say they are really amazing parameters set out for the brand new as well as for the refurbished products. Both have the same parameters, same sites we can say, but only differs out that the new gadgets, the brand new gadgets has to be tested at various sites, whereas refurbished products are tested on the same site with approval. Now, once a gadget is certified, that it passes all the certifications, then it is considered as a refurbished or certified refurbished product. But what if it does not pass any one product, any one test? What does it happen? Then it has to be renewed. Yes, you have to replace that part or you have to renew that gadget so that you can have a absolutely brand new live product. Now, this replacement is not with any unknown or a duplicate or fake part. It has to be with the original part provided by the company. Yes, the part which is provided by the company is used to replace or renew that gadget. So this is really amazing to say that we can have a brand new type product in a very amazing quality out there, a pre-owned gadgets. Now let us talk about the benefits also. And talking about the benefits, number one comes the pocket friendly rates. Talking about the rating, we can say that brand new products are quite expensive. Yes, these are quite expensive out here. But when we talk about refurbished products, you get to have a pocketable or pocket friendly rates. Yes, you will not find they are too expensive out there. They are quite pocketable. Now, talking about these pocketable rates, we can say that since there is a difference in the pricing, expensive and a less expensive price, so you get to have a difference in pricing. So you will get a good amount of savings. Yes, a huge amount of savings could be done out there. Apart from that, we know that brand new gadgets offer you 1 year warranty. Along with that, exchange policies are there. So everything is provided. But once we get a pre-owned gadget, what happens is usually we don't get if we buy from any site and it does not have a condition out here. So you do not get any warranty period out here. But if you have a condition named as refurbished or the product type is written refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy also. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished products, pocketable rates, savings, 6 months warranty, exchange policy out here. So you get to have overall all the qualities which a brand new product offers. So you can try out refurbished products, and for that, let us visit back the website. We are at this site, that is justatclick.com. Yes, justatclick.com offers you great pricing. Yes, this offers you great pricing because great deals come in pocketable rates, so you get to have really a great amount of deals. Along with that, you get to have a lot of options out there. There is a large selection option out here for you because from top brands you get to have gadgets in your pocketable rates. Since this site offers you pocketable rates and your top brand gadgets out there and mostly refurbished products, so you get to have a huge savings also. Yes, you can have a huge saving out there. Since refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty, so here refurbished laptops are offering you 6 months warranty period also. So you get to have a 6 months warranty period along with that. Since it's an online website, you get to have a hassle-free shopping. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you free home delivery, money back guarantee, and an online support system. So overall, you get to have a really good amount of things out there. You get to have a good savings. You get to have good collection of gadgets. You get to have a 6 months warranty, free shipping out there. COD is also available out here. Apart from them, yes, apart from them, there is a one additional factor out here. Yes, you get to have a one additional factor out here. That is nothing else but the customizability option. Yes, you get to have customizability option available for you. What does this customizability option means? Customizability option means that you can customize your gadget accordingly. If you would like to customize the RAM, customize the processor, storage, like whatever things are possible to customize in a particular gadget, and if it is provided by the company, yes, if the company has allowed the customization, then you can customize your gadget. So now let us see the website once again. So you get to have really refurbished products from all the top brands out here. The search icon helps you to search your gadgets out there. A call number out there from where you can order your gadgets out there, or you can have a online chat with us, as well as you get to have a good amount of gadgets out there. So this is it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. You can check out the description for the link, or you can go on Google and type just at click.com.